Hello guys, I'm Surush Designer. Today we want to talk about how we can create different type of volumes in architecture. So I'm gonna start with the simplest volume we have called the circle. I'm gonna draw the circle with different type of radius I want. If I want to increase the segments, I can click on the edges and open the material bucket. I come to the Eternity info, and for making these edges much smoother than it, I can increase the segments from 24 to 48 or every type of number I want. Now, if you want to create some type of cylinders or cylinders in SketchUp, I can click on the extrude option and extrude it like this with every type of distance I want. Another volume we have in here called rectangle. I can draw some type of rectangle and extrude it, and we can create this type of simple boxes in here. For creating some type of volumes we have in 3D Studio Max but we don't have in the SketchUp, like cone, we can click on the upper face on cylinders and click on the scale option and scale it about 0.5 and 0.5 from this place, something like that, and we can create the cone in SketchUp. So I can make some type of exact numbers for each part like that, and from the force part for this, and now we have this type of cone in here. Actually we have different type of shapes in SketchUp too. For example, we can create some type of arc lines, so I can use 2-point arc option from this place to this place like that, or I can create different type of shapes and other type of faces and click them like this. As you can see, it's really simple and easy, and you can work only with the rectangle or push or pull option. For the making some type of copies, we can click on the object and click on the move option and press Ctrl on our keyboard. So now the copy action is ready for us and activated. I can make some type of different copies in different distance and create them like this. So as you can see, it's really simple and easy. For example, we want to make some type of reverse version of this cone on the blue axis. I want to click on it and make some copy of it. I want to click on the flip option and press the blue, and now I can make it to the downside like this. So as you can see, very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. Please subscribe us, and goodbye.